Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be reading Animal Moms today. And this is page 21 in our Unit 3 Decodable Reader. And this is day 4 of Lesson 11. So before we read about Animal Moms, we're going to go ahead and review from yesterday how to read some words with inflectional endings. And so here are some words right here. Let's see if we can find out which inflectional ending is at the end of these words. So let's read them. Okay, here's pups, pups, rocks, rocks, cubs, cubs, kits, kits, sticks, sticks, sticks. So which word part was at the end of each of those words? You're right. It was an S. An S at the end of a word makes it mean more than one. And sometimes if it's at the end of a verb, it makes it mean that it's happening now. Okay, how about this one is a dead giveaway. There's just one word that had an ES inflectional ending at the end. So here's that word part, ES. We put it at the end, and let's read the word. Grasses. Grasses. So maybe cows eat different kinds of grasses. So that makes it mean more than one kind of grass. So ES is an inflectional ending. Let's read these words. These are in our story too. All of these words are. So let's read this one. The little word at the beginning is called the base word. And the word part at the end, that's the inflectional ending. This one says rest, resting, resting. I wonder who's going to be resting in our story. Jumping, jumping. Wonder who's going to be jumping in our story. So what's the inflectional ending? What's the word part at the end of these words? ING. And that word part makes it so that everyone knows that that's happening right now. So resting and jumping. So finally, we have one word with an ED at the end. Let's see if we can read it. Filled, filled, filled. Like I filled my gas tank with gas. And the word part was ED. And when you put ED at the end of a word, it tells everybody that it already happened. So when I say I filled my gas tank with gas, you know that it already happened. It's in the past. It's a past tense. So those are our inflectional endings that we're going to be watching out for as we read the words in this story. So we're going to do that together. Are you ready? Okay, here we are. Animal moms. So there's like a mom, and there's some baby seals. They're called pups. It says, this mom has pups. She is resting on the rocks with them. Rest, pups. Rest, Mom. So it was the mom and the baby seals, the pups that were resting on the rocks. Let's see some more animal moms. I think the purpose of this author, the reason this author wrote this book was to tell us all about animal moms. Look, there's a polar bear mom and her two baby cubs. It says, this mom has cubs. The cubs are just like their mom. They can swim in this cold water. Swim, cubs. Swim, Mom. Look at that mom. That's a mama bear, and she has 3 cubs. This mom is hunting with her cubs. What is jumping in that water? Hunt, cubs. Grab a snack. Look at those fish. I think that's the kind of snack they're going to have. This mom is with her kits. They swim in a pond. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. Swim, kits. Swim, Mom. So those are beavers. I think these are called either river otters or muskrats. This mom is with her pups. Their pond is filled with mud. They can swim fast in wet mud. Swim, pups. Swim, Mom. I'm wondering if these are all beavers. It's just the tail seems to be too skinny to be a beaver. This mom is with her little ducks. Ducks swim and swim. It is fun. Have fun, ducks. Swim, swim, swim. Aw, what a lovely duckling family, or duck family, I should say. Okay, boys and girls, that was fun reading with you. Goodbye.